was reading recently where former West Indies fast bowler turned international cricket commentator Ian Bishop was positing the idea that it was the mismanagement of the explosion of T20 cricket by previous Cricket West Indies Board administrators that led to the weakening of the Test and ODI West Indies teams. Bishop suggested that the regional board back then should have been more accommodating of top players being allowed to play franchise T20 cricket while getting exempt from international duties, instead of forcing them to make the choice between franchise T20 cricket and international Test and ODI cricket. But you know, say, Ian Bishop have it wrong though. First of all, this sounds like another cheap swipe at former President Dave Cameron. But that aside, Ian Bishop is making the assumption that the top West Indies players of the day, Chris Gayle and Dwayne Bravo, Andre Russell, Sunil Narayan, etc., all had this burning desire to play longer version cricket for the West Indies. Me don't know about that. In fact, me know it's not true. Yes. Bishop is missing the simple fundamental that money makes the mere run, and that the players made a straightforward choice. The shorter, less hectic, less rigorous, and 10 or 20 times more lucrative T20 format over the Test and ODI format. And that, Brother Bish, is totally understandable. Brother Bish, you understand? Brother Bish.